Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anam Zahir and we are back with the dose of clinical tip. But today this tip is special because we have various tips for today. So I have asked about a question homeopathic bronchodilators. तो जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं ब्रोंकोडायलेटर्स वो ड्रग्स होते हैं जो आस्थमा में दिए जाते हैं जिनसे मसल्स लंग्स मसल्स एल्वियोलाई रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं, टिश्यू एयर की एंट्री बेटर हो जाती है. तो क्या होम्योपैथी में ब्रोंकोडायलेटर्स होते हैं? द आंसर इज़ येस. और मुझे हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ड्रग्स के नाम आए थे. सो आज हम उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले पायदान पे जो ड्रग है वो है अमाइल नाइट्रोसम. सो अमाइल नाइट्रोसम इज़ इंडिकेटेड व्हेन asthma is associated with angina. There is suffocation, oppression of chest, constriction. Use amyl nitrosum even in olfaction dose and keep the potency 6C. The second drug is Aralia racemosa. I personally use Aralia racemosa in cough cases where patient gets cough as soon as he hit the bed, okay, lying down. So when asthma is associated with wheezing, aggravation to middle of the night, 2 a.m. and lying down is very difficult, inspiration aggravates. Use it in 1M potency or low potency like 6C. Now the third drug which comes is our very own and which was voted a lot. It was Aspidosperma. Aspidosperma, we all know, is also known as digitalis of lungs. So there is want of breath, there is cardiac asthma and should be used in 30 potency or 1M. Fourth drug is our Blata orientalis made from cockroach. As we know, cockroach lives in the damp places, they come out in rainy season. So that's why where the asthma complaints, they are aggravated in damp or rains. When arsenic album is not giving you the sufficient result, you think of Blata orientalis and usually the patient, they have tendency to gain weight. Fifth drug is Cassia sophera. Think of Cassia sophera when there is skin complaints along with asthma. The more cough, the more patient is getting disturbed or distressed, the better Cassia is indicated. It is aggravated in the rainy season, in the winters, in the evening, and patient is better by sitting up while he is coughing. यहाँ ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है, whenever you prescribe Cassia sophera, ask the patient about the habit, and if patient has a habit of tobacco or smoking, so you should ask patient to stop that because smoking and tobacco antidotes the action of Cassia. Okay, moving forward, our other remedy is Eriodictone glutesinum. Okay, it's also a rare drug and it should be given when the vitality of the lungs is very, very low. Okay, and when the patient is coughing and he is better by producing or expectoration, when he is spitting out the phlegm and patient is better. It is indicated in cough which occurs after influenza. Always use in very low potency, use in 3C potency. Number 7 drug came is Pothos. I also use Pothos when patient has dust allergy. These days dust allergy is very common. Allergic rhinitis, there is even bronchospasm and patient find it very difficult to respire. And patient is better by passing the stool. This is very PQRS modality of Pothos. The last drug, 8th drug is Solidago. Solidago virga is a remedy which belongs to Compositae family, okay, sunflower marigold family, okay. So about this drug, when the asthma is associated with urinary complaints, okay, so asthma plus nocturnal enuresis or painful in urination, think of Solidago. Always use it in 3C potency. I hope this video will be very much useful for you in your clinical practice, and go to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, subscribe it, follow the account on Instagram, and if you want to take consultation, please message in the inbox. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, homeopathy heals.